Hello everybody, welcome back. So in today's video I have, I think, which will be my last Petit Vour unboxing. I've tried to cancel this and I keep getting emails back saying like it didn't, like, sent to the wrong email or something like that. So I really don't know what's happening with that, but yes, we will get on with it. Anyhow, so I have this. First we have, this is a natural perfume oil, but I'm not really sure how to say the brand name, so I'm just going to show it to you. So that is the brand name of this perfume oil, and let's go ahead and open it. And give it a smell. It's nice, tiny size. I guess for this sample it's $5. So I will put on the screen right here like the actual full-size product and how much it costs. It's gonna smell like it. It definitely has like a oil scent. Like people, natural ingredients are affected by their environment. Petit Vour embraces these nuances to create wildly seductive scents. So this one is, well, I'm going to show you what the ingredients are because there's another couple of words that I cannot say. If you want to read this, you can go ahead and pause the screen right here. Yeah. Just for everyone's perfectly information, I don't mispronounce anything and nobody knows what I'm talking about. Yes. So the next product we have is Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum. It says reduces breakouts, unclogged pores, and even skin tone with powerful serum packaged with willow bark, salicylic acid, organic fruit acid, while CoQ10, vitamin C, and organic aloe renew the skin for a healthy, clear complexion. Clears while hydrates. Clarity comes from within. So I've actually heard some good things about this. People say that you kind of have to give it a chance because it can be kind of a lot for some people. So I mean, when the time comes for me to try this, I will be excited for this because I have some stuff that are in line ahead of this to try. So yes, if you didn't watch any of my previous videos, I am doing a no buy and I have canceled Petit Vour. This should be my last box, hopefully, and if not, then you know, we'll see another one. But yeah, I mean, I like this box a lot, but I just have so many things. You'll see in another video before or after this why I'm doing a no buy and why I've canceled this, because I just kind of feel overwhelmed. I just don't understand how people get PR products. I don't know what you would do with that many things. Like, I don't think you can do that many videos in a day, you know, or even in a week. Okay, the next thing that we have is I want to say Pocari cleansing cream. Hawaiian sea salt hibiscus seaweed cleanses, repairs, and renews for soft, hydrated skin. For the size of this one, we are going to be paying $12. So yes, and it comes with a pump. I'm going to pump a little bit out just to feel it, but it is a nice sized product. This one, it doesn't really say on the, oh, it does. It says 1 fluid ounce or 30 mils, which, if we all know, 1 fluid ounce is a lot in products. And it smells actually kind of a little bit florally, probably the hibiscus. Oh, I just dropped it. But it's like really cute and pretty. I'm happy about this. All right, the next one here we have a radiance toner from Derma E Essentials and a lotion tonic, cruelty-free. So that's this one. Essential Radiant Toner. This alcohol-free exfoliating toner with glycolic acid helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for smooth, luscious appearance. Not luscious, luminous. Not luscious, luminous. I cannot tell if this is focused or not. It's like focusing on my finger. There it is. For this size, this is $2.50 for this one. So once again, the other products should be it should be right there for your viewing pleasure. The next item we have here is a lengthening mascara from Harvest Natural Beauty. And it's a lengthening organic mascara. So this is the ideal for sensitive eyes, smudge-proof, water-resistant mascara, lengthens and thickens lashes. For this one, it's $18. Once it like has the opportunity to focus, it will do it quickly. Okay, that is the mascara. I'm going to show you the outer packaging, but I will not open it because I just don't want to open another mascara right at this minute. It is nice and sealed, but it's kind of like a travel size sample almost of a mascara. But that one's it. So this month, I don't really know if the perfume oil was like a product or just kind of like a bonus, but so far with that, we have 5 products total, which is actually, I don't remember if I've ever gotten 5 products from Petit Vour before. Everything sounds really intriguing to me, and I'm actually excited about everything in here. Love getting the skincare products because I think that finding good cruelty-free or vegan skincare is kind of really hard, especially if you're just trying to discover it on your own. I think that this is a really great idea to get some really new ideas and product samples, even if. So this month is, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about Petit Vour if this is the first time you've ever seen a video of them. Petit Vour is the premier destination for cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle. Every beautiful thing in our Petit Vour expert vetted and free of animal testing. I'm like getting ahead of myself in my own head. Animal ingredients and harmful toxins for easiest transition for cruelty-free beauty, which is really good. That's another reason why I got into this box, because I was trying to, I do get to BoxyCharm, and that box actually is probably about 80-20. You know, you get a lot of cruelty-free stuff in there, but you have to do your own research, and this kind of eliminates the research, and you already know everything is great, it's clean, it's perfect, and it's only $18 a month, considering that all of the, middleman is erased. So I am really happy with this, what we got today. So this is the box that we got this month, and I am very pleased with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are going to miss these videos, please let me know, and maybe I can reconsider not canceling if I didn't really get to cancel. To be quite honest, I haven't got to use a lot of the products that have come in this because of it's a lot. I love getting the skincare, but it's just, you can't really just have so many skincare products open all at once. It just doesn't make sense, and I don't think that's very good for your skin to just keep using different things all at once. So I just kind of stick with what I have, and when I need something new, I just pull it out from my backups. So yeah. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, you guys, if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my journey with my no-buy. And yeah, I will link my no-buy here up top somewhere. I don't know which way it is. I always forget. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to you guys right now. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.